What makes a successful leader, be it a project manager, a line manager, or a business function head? Facilitation and the skills of a facilitator. The new project management professional examination, based on the examination content outline, focuses on servant leadership. Our servant leadership, common denominator, is facilitation. It is collaborating with our teams, with our individuals, to get the best out of our resources and our teams. It's about listening, it's about understanding, it's about being empathetic, and it's about being real, understanding the feelings that everybody brings to an organization and or to a project. Gone are the years of directive leadership, coercive leadership, penalty power, directive power. We have to focus on servant leadership within the ambit of fairness, collaboration, understanding, and listening. Please subscribe to our channels, and we will see you on the next turn.